What makes a successful data recovery engineer? Every specialist should have the knowledge, skills, and right tools at the ready. But how to be sure which tools are the most appropriate? The key here is choosing only that equipment which will bring you the best results. Since 1992, ACE Lab's team of engineers, mathematicians and developers has been constantly working hard on creating ultimate and cost-effective solutions to the most burning and complex issues used by every professional data recovery company in the world. PC-3000 products have rightfully earned the reputation of the indispensable technology for data recovery. The PC-3000 systems cover all the needs you may have, from storage device diagnostics and repair to data imaging and recovery, providing the highest success rates on the market. With PC-3000, you will be able to deal with the widest range of storage media: SATA and IDE hard disk drives, SAS SCSI hard disk drives, RAID and virtual machines, SSD, flash storage and mobile devices. But that's not the whole deal, because PC-3000 is more than just a set of essential tools. Constant development of the hardware, regular software updates, comprehensive technical support, and exceptional training opportunities. All of this is to ensure your data recovery business is efficient and profitable. Our highly qualified technical support engineers can help you in making your first steps in data recovery and may even solve the most difficult cases instead of you. To enhance your data recovery skills faster, you may also take part in our unique practical training courses on hard disk drives, RAID, SSD, flash, and monolith data recovery for any level of expertise. Our high-tech and spacious office, located in the downtown of Prague, gives you great opportunities for training and networking with peers from all over the world. Besides, you can join our technical events in other countries of Europe, Asia, North America, and their geography is expanding from year to year. Over 16,000 experts from more than 115 countries have already awarded their trust to ACE Lab and got profit from PC-3000 solutions. Now, it's your turn.